Welcome to Tools for Machine Learning. After watching this video, you will be able to explain why data is essential for machine learning models. You'll also be able to list common languages for machine learning. Finally, you'll be able to describe tools for data processing and analytics, data visualization, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing or NLP, and generative artificial intelligence or AI. Let's begin by asking the question, what is data? Data is a collection of raw facts, figures, or information used to draw insights, inform decisions, and fuel advanced technologies. Data is central to every machine learning algorithm and the source of all the information the algorithm uses to discover patterns and make predictions. Now, let's understand what are machine learning tools. Machine learning tools provide functionalities for machine learning pipelines, which include modules for data preprocessing and building, evaluating, optimizing, and implementing machine learning models. These tools use algorithms to simplify complex tasks, such as handling big data, conducting statistical analyses, and making predictions. A good example is the Pandas library, used for data manipulation and analysis. Another example is the Scikit-learn library, which provides a wide range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms for linear regression. A machine learning programming language is a programming language for building machine learning models and decoding the hidden patterns in data. Python is a widely used language due to its extensive collection of libraries for analyzing and processing data and its ease in developing machine learning models. R is another popular language for statistical learning that also contains many libraries for data exploration and machine learning. Here are some other common languages. Julia is a high-performance language with parallel and distributed numerical computing support used by researchers. Scala is a scalable, widely used language for processing big data and building machine learning pipelines. Java is a multi-purpose language that supports scalable machine learning applications deployed in production. And JavaScript is used to run machine learning models in web browsers to serve client-side applications. Machine learning tools serve several purposes. You can use them to store and retrieve data, work with plots, graphs, and dashboards, explore, visually inspect, and clean data, and prepare data for developing machine learning models. These tools can be divided into specific categories, as shown here. Data processing and analytics tools process, store, and interact with data to serve machine learning models. Here are some examples. PostgreSQL is a powerful open-sourced object relational database system based on SQL, a language designed for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. Hadoop is an open-source, highly scalable disk-based solution for storing and batch processing massive data. Spark is a distributed in-memory data processing framework for real-time big data processing. It supports data frames and SQL and is faster and easier to use than Hadoop. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform for building big data pipelines and running real-time analytics. Pandas is a popular Python library for exploring and wrangling data. Central to Pandas is the data frame, a tabular data structure for cleaning and transforming structured data. NumPy is a Python library that provides comprehensive mathematical functions, random number generators, and linear algebra routines for distributed and graphics processing unit or GPU-based computing platforms. Data visualization tools help you understand and visualize the structure of your data. Let's look at some commonly used tools. Matplotlib is an extensive foundational library for generating customizable plots and interactive visualizations. Seaborn is a library based on Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive and informative statistical graphics. ggplot2 is an open-source data visualization package in R. It allows you to build and add elements to your graphics in layers. Tableau is a business intelligence tool for interactive data visualization dashboards. Machine learning tools are used to create and tune your machine learning models. Several open-source Python libraries form a widely used ecosystem for machine learning. NumPy provides foundational machine learning support with efficient numerical computations on large, multidimensional data arrays. Pandas is used for data analysis, visualization, cleaning, and preparing data for machine learning. SciPy, built on NumPy, is used for scientific computing and has modules for optimization, integration, linear regression, and more. Scikit-learn is used for building classical machine learning models, offering a full suite of classification, regression, clustering, n-dimensionality reduction algorithms. It's built on NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. Deep learning tools are frameworks for designing, training, and testing neural network-based machine learning models. For deep learning, there are several popular libraries available. TensorFlow is an open-source library for numerical computing and large-scale machine learning. Keras is an easy-to-use deep learning library for implementing neural networks. Theano is for efficiently defining, optimizing, and evaluating mathematical expressions involving arrays. PyTorch is an open-source library for deep learning applications in computer vision and NLP. It also allows experimentation to test ideas. Computer vision tools are used for tasks such as object detection, image classification, facial recognitions, and image segmentation. All the deep learning tools can be tailored to computer vision applications. Let's look at some examples. OpenCV, or Open Source Computer Vision Library, is a library for real-time computer vision applications such as object detection, image classification, and augmented reality. Scikit-image, built on SciPy and compatible with Pandas, offers image processing algorithms such as filters, segmentation, feature extraction, and morphological operations. Torch Vision, part of the PyTorch project, consists of popular datasets, image loading, pre-trained deep learning architectures, and common image transformations for computer vision. NLP tools help developers and data scientists build applications that understand, interpret, and generate human language. Let's look at some popular NLP tools. The Natural Language Toolkit, or NLTK, is a comprehensive library that offers text processing, tokenization, and stemming tools. TextBlob is a library for tasks like part-of-speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, sentiment analysis, and translation. Stanza is an NLP library from the Stanford NLP group with accurate pre-trained models for many NLP tasks, including part-of-speech tagging, named entity recognition, and dependency parsing. Generative AI tools leverage AI to generate new content based on input data or prompts, such as text, images, music, code, or other media. Here are some examples. Hugging Face Transformers is a powerful library of transformer models for NLP tasks, such as text generation, language translation, and sentiment analysis. ChatGPT is a powerful language model used for text generation, building chatbots, and other NLP tasks. DALL-E is a tool from OpenAI for generating images from textual descriptions. PyTorch uses deep learning to create generative models, such as generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and transformers for text and image generation. In this video, you learned that data is central to every machine learning algorithm. Machine learning tools simplify complex tasks and provide functionalities for machine learning pipelines. A machine learning programming language is used to build machine learning models and decode data patterns. Some commonly used languages are Python, R, Julia, Scala, Java, and JavaScript. Finally, you explored the tools used for data processing and analytics, data visualization, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, and AI.